Hi guys, today I'm creating a rustic Father's Day tablescape. So if you're looking for a simple yet stylish Father's Day table setting, this one is for you. Okay guys, so this is a tablecloth that I will be using. It's a picnic tablecloth, so it's going to bring that casual rustic vibe that I'm going for. And I also really love the blue stripes. I got it from Temu and it's such a great quality. I really love it. I'm just going to go ahead and get my tablecloth laid, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my placemats. I'll be using these blue placemats, and these I got from Amazon. So it's Tablescape Tuesdays, guys, and this video is part of a collaboration with Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy from Sandy's Home and Garden, and Melinda from All Things Home on a Budget, and myself, Eventful Living with Kay. So the theme is a Father's Day bash. Now I'm just layering these woven mats on top to add a more rustic feel. I really wanted to do this collaboration as well, guys, because the dads need to be celebrated as well, and I also wanted to show a more casual, fun, masculine setup. I'm also using mostly what I have in my stash today, so I'm going in with these plates that I use all the time, and these I had gotten at the Dollar Tree. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a like by hitting the thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. So guys, next are my salad plates, and how beautiful are these with the gold rim. The rich deep blue color complements the tablecloth and the placemats perfectly. I'm just layering them on top of the dinner plates, and they are plastic, but they are just so pretty. They definitely had a depth to the table, and these I got from Temu as well. I decided to use these gold-toned flatware because they pair perfectly with the deep blue salad plates as well. And even though it's a casual, relaxed type of vibe, they do make the table feel refined. For the napkins, guys, I'll be doing a necktie napkin fold. It's going to tie the theme together beautifully. So let me show you how I did it. I went ahead and folded all the napkins, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and place them on top of the salad plates. Now it's on to the centerpiece. I'll be using these wood slices. I'd gotten these at Walmart, and I'll be using this mason jar that I went ahead and filled with some pebbles or small rocks that I got at the dollar store. I'm going to be using these mini olive trees as well that I got at the dollar store, and I absolutely love the containers that they are in. I'm going to add my wood slices to the middle of the table, and then I'm going to add the mini olive trees and mason jar on top. The wood slices instantly adds a texture to the table and creates the perfect base for layering decor. I love these olive trees, bringing some greenery to the table. They also have some berries on them, which is really cute. The combination of the olive trees with the wood slices and the stones will bring that outdoor inspired feel. To add some more greenery to the table, I'm going to be using these green eucalyptus stems, and I'm going to be adding them to the mason jar with the stones. To add a Father's Day touch, I'll be including bottles of Dragon Stout to each setting. Now you can also customize this further by including Dad's favorite drink. It doesn't have to be alcohol, just anything he likes to drink. But I must say that these bottles are definitely bringing that masculine energy. To add a bit more to that rustic charm feel, I'll be using mason jar drinking glasses. So here's the finished tablescape, guys, and I love it. I absolutely love it. It came together beautifully. I hope the ladies like what I created because I love how it came together. So guys, whether you're hosting a Father's Day brunch, a lunch, or a dinner, I hope this video will provide you with some inspiration. We don't see a lot of masculine tablescapes, guys, so I was happy to be invited to participate in this collaboration. So let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching as usual, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!